Hi, I'm Tony Poulos and I'm at CommunicAsia2016. Today I'm with Vincent Zhao, who is the Director of Global Cloud Core Network Marketing and Solution Sales at Huawei Technologies. Vincent, great to catch up. Firstly, what part are operators playing these days in the cloud services market?
Okay, this is very good questions. And the cloud is not only the technology, I suppose it's also the business model. It really can open the enterprise and the vertical market for the telecom carriers. Meanwhile, we suppose the communication services is one kind of a very important SaaS service on the cloud.
Now, I understand that Huawei has a product set called Cloud Communications. What exactly is that?
Okay, this is very good questions. And if we review about the market, we find out from a narrow sense, we talk about the communication services is the voice and the messaging services. Carriers are facing some challenges, like it's good and the profit business, but declining. And the OTT even changed the subscribers, user experience and the behaviors. And meanwhile, carriers are losing the customer contact. This is very dangerous for carriers. The cloud communication solution can enable all screen can make a voice and a video call. For example, it includes the cloud enterprise communication solution and the best voice and video services over LTE and also cloud video solution.
And how can operators transform to cloud communications?
Okay, the first and the most important, I suppose, operators cannot forget about their strengths for the transformation. The most important 4 things they have. The first one is offline to offline channel to offer their services to the market. The second one is service bundling. The third one is the numbering, and they can have the interoperabilities for different operators and different services. The last one is best quality of the services. In order to do it, the most important from the technical point of view, they have to use the cloud technologies. And meanwhile, to open the market, not only for the consumer market, but also for the home and for the enterprise and also the vertical market.
I'm also interested in what are your plans for the telecommunications market in the South Pacific region?
Oh, the most important and the most popular topic now in this region for the consumer market is the VoLTE services. So many people consider VoLTE services as the pure voice, but we hold a different point of view. We suppose it's HD voice, HD video, and the rich communication capabilities. Meanwhile, the native support for the smartphone is very important in this market. So our first priority to join together with the carriers in this region is the VoLTE services to improve subscribers' experience. The second one, we want to extend the business in the home, because now the home service transformation from before the communication is the telephone-centric, but nowadays it changed to the TV-centric. So we want to help carriers to change something in the home. The third one is for the enterprise. More and more enterprises, they are changing their solutions, especially for communication services, from on-premise to the cloud-based. And in this case, such as the cloud PBX and the cloud video conferencing is very popular services and really can help carriers to enter the B2B market. The last one is for the vertical market. For this kind of market, we suppose carriers are not so professional, but they have a very good platform. They have the PAP, they have the network capabilities. They can open these kind of capabilities to third party based on open API and SDK to enable devices. These 4 things I think is very important. And meanwhile, to create ecosystem based on all cloud-based solution is also very important way for carriers here.
Well, that covers almost everyone in the ecosystem, but how are the operators going to benefit from cloud communications?
The first, I think they can improve the customer loyalty and improve the subscriber experience. That means it really can help them to occupy the service entrance don't lose the customer contact, don't lose customer touch. This is very important. The second one is, this is really open a new market. Just now I mentioned for the enterprise and the vertical, like the e-health and the e-education, like some IoT services, everything, it can open some new doors, new opportunities for carriers.
Vincent, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.